To manage your appointments, click on the Appointments icon located in the bottom navigation bar. This will take you to the My Appointments screen. Here you can see a list of all appointments with details such as customer name, date and time, price, appointment status and services. If an appointment is confirmed, you can edit it by clicking on the appointment you wish to complete. This will open the appointment screen, displaying detailed information about the selected appointment, including customer name, appointment number, client address, email address, payment status, date and time, services selected, and the total amount. To complete the appointment, click the Update Appointment button at the bottom. This will bring up the Update Appointment modal screen. Here, you have the option to cancel or complete the appointment. Click on the Complete button to update the appointment status. Upon clicking Complete, the appointment status will be updated as completed, and a message saying Appointment completed will be displayed. You can also click the View Invoice button to check the invoice details. The invoice screen shows all details of the appointment, including customer name, appointment number, client address, email address, payment status, payment mode, date and time, services selected, and the total amount. To update the payment mode, click the Update Payment Mode button at the bottom. This will navigate you to the Update Payment Mode modal. Here you can select the payment mode: cash, debit, credit, check. To mark the appointment as paid, choose Mark as Paid and select the appropriate payment mode. After successfully updating the payment mode, a confirmation message such as Payment Mode Updated will be displayed, and the payment status will be updated as Marked as Paid. You will then be redirected back to the My Appointments screen, where you can see the updated list of appointments with the changes reflected.